again to Budget with Brian. Do you know, I've spoken about my favourite store, Howdens, in recent films. Have a look at the link above. But do you know what? They've introduced a loyalty card, a bit like Costa Coffee card. So every time you go in there and buy something more than £25, you get a stamp on your card. Well, I've been in there quite a lot recently, doing a couple of kitchens, and look what my loyalty card got me. Now, this is a box of Reisser screws. Reisser are generally considered to be one of the best makers of screws, albeit that sometimes you think they're a little bit more expensive. But you know, for the best you pay a little bit more. But this box came free, if you like, with my loyalty card, and these are the sizes that you get in it. But just have a look at what it looks like in its box. Now, I'm over the moon with that, and you know, once again, I've got to say thank you very much indeed to Howdens. Having talked about Reisser screws, we also covered in another video, and don't forget to look for the link above, and these were the Optimaxx screws. Now, very kindly, we've been sent a new trade website player, and they're called Champion Timber, and they've sent us a sample pack of 5x100 wood screws. And you remember the big advantage of the Optimaxx screws was it had this a milling on the top here that helped you cut your own countersink. It's got these sharp starter points, a bit like the Reisser ones as well. But hey, not seen Optimaxx come onto the market as strongly as I had hoped. Our kit's gone down well. It was in a plastic box, and they're still being used, and these will add to that collection. So thank you very much indeed to Champion Timber for sending us the sample packs, and good luck to Optimaxx with promotions of this sort. I thought we'd be quite interesting to do a little quick head-to-head. I've unpacked one of the Reisser screws, that's this one here, and I've unpacked one of the Optimaxx screws, that's this one here. And what are the main differences? Well, apart from the fact that they're both gold, which is good, usually means they've got good tensile strength, the Optimaxx has got a cutting starting point, whereas you've got a sharp point on the Reisser, but not the cutting point. This thread is serrated to help cut through the wood. The Reisser doesn't for the moment, and if you look at the head, the Optimaxx has that serration which helps with countersinking, whereas the Reisser doesn't. So you've got three features on the Optimaxx screw that the Reisser doesn't have, and you've got to say, if all things being equal, the Optimaxx has got it over the Reisser. On the other hand, Reisser are very well known and very well marketed, and as we could see, marketed through Howdens in the way that I've shown you. All things being equal, I think you've got to say the Optimaxx does have it over the Reisser, and you'd be foolish not to choose the Optimaxx given the choice every time. So, thanks again to both of those, and don't forget, subscribe and look to see us on Facebook, Instagram and Twitter, and you'll see all of these shown on that on those sites. Thanks again for watching Budget with Brian.